Guys, what's up? And I'm back in another Minecraft video, and today I am starting a brand new series about map making. So I have already gotten started here, built a little thing, built a lobby and a teleporter to go with it. And let me just fill this in right here. I'm building the wall, and let me explain what this map is going to be. It's basically a two-player or more than two-player puzzle map, two different teams, but it's a minimum of one player, so it doesn't have to be teams. Basically, you score points or complete challenges, and for every challenge you complete, you get a weapon. And at the end of the game, you will fight, duke it out, have a ton of fun. But you can also choose to skip the challenges, which means that you don't get the weapon. And that means you get less PvP power, and you just probably will lose. I've got the reset button here, and it just says hi, bye. So for now, I just wanted to test to make sure that it would actually power those command blocks, and it does. So I've got the join blue and join red things set up. I don't have spectate set up yet, but that won't be too hard to do. And it'll say St. Paul 42 is join blue, and that'll be for any player in that radius. So multiple people can join at the same time, technically. So you both step on the command block, or like 4 people step on the command block at the same time, it'll all teleport them to red or blue, depending on where they are. But today we are going to be building the first chamber. There are probably going to be like 20 to 25 of them to make for a nice and long series. But today we are going to be doing the first chamber, and like I just said, oh gosh, I really need this redstone. I gotta stop using it up with the pick block command. But the first challenge is a TNT maze. So basically you've got this little grid here. Let me just build out so that it doesn't mess anything up. Let's build out with these, so I don't want the TNT activating. Basically, it'll be a little grid of TNT things over sand, like so. Oh gosh, like so. And then some pressure plates. And if you step on the right ones, nothing will happen. Like if you step on these ones, nothing will happen. But if you step on the wrong ones, it'll trigger and you fall to your death and just have a terrible time. And the only way to know how to get on the right ones is by getting a thing here. I'm going to have a button, maybe a pressure plate, probably a button though. And you press the button and it will display a 17 by 17 thing showing you which one to do, which one to go on and which ones to not. But it'll only stay up for a minute. Not literally a minute, but it'll only stay up for a little while. And you won't have a lot of time to decide. But you will have to figure it out and probably have some funny deaths along the way. So I'm just going to be expanding this out some, and I will be right back when I'm done with that. See you in a second. Okay guys, I'm back, and I just built this wall here, and I'm going to build it all on the blue side and then just copy it over on the red side with maybe like MC Edit or something like that. I'm probably not going to do it by hand because that would take a heck of a long time. But this is going to be the board right here, and basically what I'm going to be doing is putting pistons all over here and then just connecting them with a series of redstone torches and stuff like that. Convoluted stuff. And I think I want each redstone to be at least 4 ticks delay. So, oh gosh, every one of these is going to be delayed by maybe 3 or 4 ticks. I haven't really decided yet, but now I'm going to just take these out and then put these in. This is what I'm doing here. It's a really complicated process. I pretty much do this every time I put in something with sticky pistons that's hard to place, and I have to place a ton of them. Basically, I just put them all on this like that, and then take out all of these, and then put them back in, and then destroy the outside ones again like so. So basically I just do this, and then there, once it's all wired up, it's gonna take out all of the redstone blocks. So they're gonna be retracted by default, and then I'll just extend them when I want. So now I can just do this and add redstone blocks here like that. And I forgot one here, so I'll just add that in like this. So pistons would work with me. And then I'll add more here, like that. And now I'll just have to connect it with redstone. Super easy and super simple stuff. I could have used command blocks to set, do like a set block thing, but where's the fun in that? This map making series is all about having fun with redstone. And a bunch of set block commands aren't fun. You know what's fun? A bunch of pistons. That makes it so much better. Okay, so 3-tick delay starting here. So I'm just going to do 3 ticks. And then let's build with yellow clay to simplify redstone. Simplify, not simplify. Take 3 ticks out of here. Go into the yellow stained clay right there. And see if that works. Let's come out here. I'm probably just going to keep this open. Yep. Okay, so for some reason it activated a bunch of them who have stayed active. I think we're actually going to use some set block commands and stuff like that, because for some reason this isn't working. So yeah, I don't think this is gonna work out too well, because as you can see, they're glitching out all over the place. It has literally created a chain, and I don't know what happened or how it happened. Probably because it's a lot of block update detectors and everything gets all weird with pistons. Pistons aren't the most normal block in Minecraft. If you haven't noticed, I mean, they literally just made that out of redstone blocks. Probably because they're redstone blocks, actually, now that I think about it. Because if one piston activates, like if one piston moves like this, oh gosh, if one piston moves that, it would probably activate a different piston, I don't know. Let's move this back here, and then just do set block commands. It's not as interesting, but it is more efficient and actually will work. And that is what we are going for here, working things that work by working. So I'm just going to put these back and probably put some command blocks out like this. And then I'll just connect these to a bunch of set block commands, thinking they're going towards negative, oh gosh, towards negative X. So it would be set block, I'll just copy these on everyone. Set block, relativity, that's Q, not relativity. -2, 0, 0. So when this gets power, what it should do, oh, wait, I have to say Minecraft redstone block. Yeah, it's block. I thought I spelled it wrong for a second. And no such item with Minecraft redstone block. So what I do is, all I had to do is set block 111 Minecraft, and then I can just do, yeah, redstone block. So let's see why this isn't working. Red tone block. That makes sense. So it should have set. That block couldn't be placed. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Why? I want to know why the block couldn't be placed, because it should. What about this? Replace. Oh, duh. It has to be 3. Because there is already a redstone block there. I think actually, yeah, let's try 3. Yeah, okay, 3 works, 'cause there's already a redstone block there. So now I just have to like snake this redstone along until I reach the end, and probably just copy paste the command into a bunch of command blocks, and I will be right back when I have this all set up. Okay guys, I am back and I finished this here. So if you just press activate board, it'll give you slowness so you can't jump, and also jump boost so you can't jump, or not slowness so you can't run across and get to the other field. So it'll go like this, and let me get some milk out, and then it'll just reset itself like so. And so, yep, okay. So it takes a little while to reset just because you get some extra time to look at the board. I'm going to drink some milk and show you the redstone. I didn't snake it all around up and down. I just built this because it's so much simpler. And also, here's the reset. And in case it didn't reset at the beginning, it resets then. And also, slowness, I gave slowness and jump boost. So basically how this works is there's some iron blocks down here. It's pretty simple. If you step on an iron block, nothing will happen. But if you step on a TNT, it'll activate the TNT and you'll fall to your death. Like this, yeah. So then you die and respawn back here if it worked. I added a new command over here to set the spawn. It's /spawn point and then the coordinates. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to finish this up off camera, and I have some choices for you today. The choices are weapon, power boost, and both. Let me explain what these are. So basically, if you have a weapon, this is weapon. Let's just put red. No, that looks weird, actually. Is that glitched? That might be a snapshot glitch. I don't know. Anyway, let's just call orange weapon. If you choose weapon, at the end of the map, or at the end of the course, if you beat it, you get a weapon. You'll also be able to skip it, then you won't get anything, or points. But then you'll get a weapon, or if you choose power boost, you get some sort of power up. Like, I don't know, if you beat a parkour map, you get the ability to fly, like glass will spawn beneath your feet or whatever for like a few seconds, and you can just fly around like whatever. I don't know, or if you beat a creeper map, you can spawn in creepers with snowballs. That'd be kind of funny. But or you can choose both. So at the end of the map, you get to choose either one. So you say at the end of the map, you have like, do you want an iron sword or do you want creeper snowballs? And you get to choose which one of these I should go with. The one with the most votes will probably win. But choose in the comments below. Oh, gosh. I didn't mean to do that. Choose in the comments below, and I will pick a winner next episode. I'm also going to finish it up off camera because of this reason. Normally, I wouldn't. I'm also going to have a clone command to reset it just in case you fail. So it just doesn't get easier and easier every time. And now I realize, looking at this, that this doesn't end in the middle. I might have to change that, but I also might not care. It's fine. But you also get to choose a name. If you have a name for this series, right now I literally have my world called PvP Map Making Series. And I don't know what to call it, but if you have an idea, that'll be great. And you can post that in the comments along with your vote. But yeah, guys, that'll be it for this episode. If you enjoyed, please leave a like for the continuation of this series. If you have a question or suggestion, subscribe. Wait, no. If you have a question or suggestion, post a comment. Or if you have an opinion about what I should choose, and if you really enjoyed and want to see more, then subscribe for future updates. But that is all, guys, and I will see you later. Bye!